Hi, welcome to Cross Tuesday. Today I'm back with another wonderful video which you don't expect. A good strategy which you can use to make money online that is working for top marketers outside. Top marketers outside. Now, I will be making use of a platform named Clickbank.com. What is Clickbank.com? As we all know, Clickbank.com. Clickbank is a platform that enables you to promote other people's products what as an affiliate. As an affiliate. So you be paid certain commission what for selling other people's product, selling other people's product on this platform. So if you are newbie to this platform, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this platform. Just click on the sign up button. I'm very sorry for the slow data rate. Okay, so if you're newbie, so this is the platform, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to scroll down now. So you input your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email and password. Then you agree to their terms and conditions, then you join. So that's how it works. So since I've already registered with this platform, so I won't be doing that again except to log in. To log in, you can see my information, but I won't be opening the platform again. I won't be opening the platform, but for the sake of them, for you to just verify that truly I'm not lying guys this, okay, I'll be logging in. We've been making use of what Facebook group to promote our product. Top Facebook group to promote our product. Still. I'm very sorry for this. No, you can't compare it. You can't contrast Nigeria data rate in contrast to other countries. So I'm very sorry regarding it. Okay, this is the platform. Going back to the Clickbank dashboard, it's almost done. Still loading. Since we will be promoting, okay, so we'll be going to the affiliate marketplace. That what we need. We have access to thousands of products available on this platform. But as I always said, if you have the money to spend for an ad such as Google ads, Facebook ads, another ad, I won't lie for you, those one works fast than organic traffic. Paid traffic work faster than organic traffic. With paid traffic, you can easily achieve what you wanted. But though everything depends on what the type of campaign you set, the type of campaign what you set. Okay, so this is how the marketplace looks like. So I'll be clicking, I'll be finding the product to choose. So this is it. You can see. These are the top selling products on this platform. You can choose any product you like. Since I've already, since I'm with my affiliate link already on this platform, I won't be doing that. If you are a newbie, just click on this promote button, then you have access to your affiliate link, to your own affiliate link to promote. So once you get your affiliate link, we'll be making use of Facebook. We'll be searching for, since this is a weight loss related product, we'll be searching for weight loss related niche. Okay. We'll be clicking on the groups. We'll be checking all the groups available because we wanted to leverage the merits of groups available on this platform. That's it. This has 59k member. 59k member. So make 1 member. What we'll be doing is that we try to get in touch with what we'll be joining the group and try to get in touch with the group moderators, group moderator. Then explaining to them, telling them what to bring our affiliate link what at the top of their group, then we'll be paying them little change in return, and then it's change also. With that, we surely achieve sales. That's what's working for some groups. That's what's working for some. So you can attempt all the groups, then try to get in touch with them. So quite sure if you try this out, you surely make sales. Not just once, you make sales. Sales. That's just it for the day. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.